Hello, this is Vivian, and this reading for today is for Capricorn. That's for December 22nd birthdays through January 19th. And this is for the month of January. We need to place the space. And then we start. Close your eyes and manifest. Thank you. Okay, so this is a 9 spread cards. 9 card spread. I'm gonna have to wake up, huh? And this shows your Capricorns, beautiful Capricorns, your past, your recent past, and your current energy, and your future, near future. And this is a general reading, so if it doesn't resonate, just come back later on or find another readers that has your reading, okay, your situation. This is for love reading, well, but some of the cards will also show your financial status, abundance, wealth. So, but basically, this is for a love reading for you all. Okay, Spirit Guide, show me 3 cards, please. Recent past. Recent past. Wow, these are recent past. The Empress. That's the Goddess of Beauty. Sensual. If probably someone was pregnant and